trustworthy steam and water cycle chemistry parameters rely on properly conditioned representative samples. It doesn't matter if measurements are taken with a grab sample and manual test or an online instrument. A well-conditioned sample controls the critical parameters: pressure, temperature, and velocity. Well-designed steam and water systems manufactured by Century Equipment use the highest quality components to manage all three. To verify online monitor readings or calibrate monitoring equipment, operators may wish to use test kits like these offered by Chemetrix. To conduct a test, remove air bubbles potentially trapped in the system line by running a fast-flowing stream of sample water. Next, the operator submerges a vacuum-sealed ampule into a flowing sample that's been cooled to ambient temperature. Now, snap the tip by gently pressing the upper end of the ampule toward the wall of the supplied sampling tube. The vacuum in the ampule will cause it to fill, and the highly sensitive rhodazine D reagent will react instantaneously to produce a pink color. Gently invert the ampule several times, allowing the bubble to travel from end to end. For the low-range dissolved oxygen test, dry the ampule and insert it into the round comparator. Hold the comparator up toward a light source and view from the bottom, rotating the barrel until the best color match is found. For the high-range test, compare the ampule to standards in the provided flat comparator. Tests using ultra-low-range ampules are conducted similarly. By sampling via online and offline methods, operators can feel confident they've received accurate test results that minimize equipment risks and maximize electricity production. Backed by the experience of Century Equipment and Chemetrix, operators can ensure peak performance. Learn how to optimize your steam and water sampling processes further by visiting century-equip.com.